believe that Alicia is going out with Avinash now.
I know. How does she manage to fool around with all the boys in the class?
Come on, they might just be friends. She is a good looking girl anyway.
Dude, we thrashed the Kiwis big time yesterday.
Our bowlers were awesome.
Hey, check her out.
She's super hot.
Hey, have you guys done the eco project?
Oh shucks, I haven't even started. And tomorrow there's a party too.
Are you guys coming for the party?
Yeah, I want to, but what to do? There's a wedding in my family and I have to still convince my parents.
Shreya, have you finished your eco project?
Mom, it's my room. Respect my privacy.
Your room happens to be part of the house too. Can you please clean it up and get down to finishing your project?
Mom, go away. Oh God, I have to convince Mom for the party. I better clean up my room. Mom!
Yes, my dear, what do you want?
Mom, I have to ask you something. But please don't say no. Mom, it's Arushi's 16th birthday. She's throwing a huge party and everybody is going. Can I please go? Please, 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 please.
No, Shreya. You know it's Rui's Sangeet tomorrow and all of us have to be there.
Mom, you don't understand. Everybody is going. I also want to go.
Rui is your cousin, Shreya. You have to attend the function.
You never allow me to do anything I want. Why do I always have to do what you want? I just hate you.
Shreya, this type of language is not acceptable in this house. Go back to your room and study and don't sulk. We'll see you later. I need to discuss something about Shreya with you.
What is it?
You know Ruhi's wedding is next week, but Shreya just told me that she wants to go to Arushi's 16th birthday party tomorrow. She's one of her close friends, but the party is clashing with Rui's Sangeet. What should we do?
Let me guess. You got into an argument, didn't you?
Apparently the whole class has been invited. It's a cool event and she cannot not go.
Well, she's growing up. She needs her space and freedom too. She's doing well in her studies. Maybe we can consider her request.
Okay. We can let her go. She will be there for the wedding anyway.
Guys, look who made it to the party.
Wow, you look good. Was it hard to convince your mom?
Not much. Just made a baby face and threw a tantrum. I guess that worked. Because I'm here now.
Guys, check Rohan out.
Hey guys, this party sucks. Why aren't we dancing?
Well, you're just looking for smoke, right?
Why, you want one?
No thanks.
What about rum and coke? Want some?
Stop talking about drinking and let's dance. Mommy, I'm home.
Did you have a good time? What did you do?
We had lots of fun. We danced. Food was good. Anyway, Ma, I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
You did not drink, did you?
No, Ma, I know better.
Good girl. Now go to bed. Tomorrow's a long day.
Teenage is a complex development period which includes pubertal changes, brain development, a search for identity. It is safe to say that these years are truly the years of creativity, idealism, buoyancy, and a spirit of adventure. But these are also the years of experimentation and risk-taking, of peer pressure, and taking uninformed decisions on critical issues. Though it's a period of great potential, but it's also one of greater vulnerability.